In the round-the-clock urban command hub, every second of decision-making impacts thousands of livelihoods. The KCD Series Control Consoles empower the efficient operation of this intelligent brain through professional, intelligent manufacturing. 1. Robust structure for uninterrupted operations. Facing massive information and multi-screen collaboration, the KCD's 6063T5 aluminum alloy skeleton stably supports critical equipment with a load-bearing capacity of 200 kg per meter. Its 20-year no-deformation commitment ensures calm dispatch operations through day-night cycles. The E0 grade HPL desktop with polyurethane edge sealing technology not only safeguards personnel health, but also resists scratches from high-intensity operations and moisture intrusion. 2. Modular flexibility and human-centric design. The modular free combination design allows screen layouts to expand flexibly according to task needs. Ice blue ambient lighting and anti-collision foot guards inject humanistic care into the technological aesthetic. The 500mm deep bottom cabinet integrates multi-host devices, while separated high-low voltage wiring paired with a natural air cooling system ensures 724 key data links remain stable, like the steady pulse of a city. 3. A solid foundation for smart urban command. From traffic guidance to emergency response, KCD builds a solid foundation for command and dispatch with ingenuity and technology, making efficient decision-making an instinct of smart cities. With its perfect blend of structural durability, modular adaptability, and thoughtful details, the KCD series stands as the backbone of modern urban command centers, ensuring that every critical response is both rapid and reliable.